How to see and delete all your sent friend requests on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see and delete all your friend requests that you have sent on Facebook. Now, open up your app and log in your ID. You must get an interface like this. Now, once you get this interface, head over to three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen just below the messaging icon. Now, once here, scroll down below and go to settings and privacy and click on settings. Now, once on settings, if you scroll down, you'll find the option activity log under your information. Now, tap on it, and if you scroll down below, in here you'll find the option connections. Now, go to view connections, and if you see here, you can filter it and you can go to categories and you can see your sent friend requests. Now, I don't quite have an option right here, but you should get an option, a three dot beside your notification that you sent a friend request to, and you should be able to cancel your request from there. But if you don't get this, just like I'm not getting it, the easier way is head over to your Google App Store, and once on App Store, search for Facebook Lite. It's the light version of Facebook, and here you can see I've installed Facebook Lite. Now open this and log in your ID. You can see now, if you log into your ID once, you'll get the same interface as your Facebook app. Now head over to similar three-line icon and then to settings, and if you go to activity log under your activities, and if you go to connections, here you can see that all my friend requests that I have sent or all persons I have followed shows up here. Now you can just tap on the username of the person here and the profile will open up and you can cancel the request. So this way you can see and delete all your Facebook friend requests. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.